It's a new day. It's new blessings. We give all praise to the Most High, man. Let's get it. Today's date is Thursday, August 6th, 2026. And I know it's been a minute, bro. Honestly, bro, before I get to saying the fact that I was busy, bro, the market low key hasn't been good for me, particularly in my model. And I could show y'all here on my trade journal, where I journal all my trades, bro. I haven't taken a trade since last month, bro. Yeah, these are all my trades, but yeah, I haven't taken a trade since July 15th. But nevertheless, let's get started on the trade recap. And y'all know the drill. We do verse of the day. I'm probably repeating this verse, but nevertheless, I'm gonna just go ahead and say it. And this is Christ speaking. He says, "Then he said to all them, whoever wants to be my disciple must deny themselves and take up their cross daily and follow me." It's just showing that Christ telling us the heart posture to have when following Christ, that we have to deny our ambitions, our goals, our purpose, that what we want, because ultimately we're supposed to pick up what Christ wants, because our desires, the things that we want to do, bro, it's all temporary, bro. But what Christ wants to do in his mission, it's everlasting. So our job to deny ourselves and to pick up our cross. But nonetheless, let's get started on the trade recap. So I'm gonna be real with you, bro. Ever since Monday, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I haven't been on the markets. I had got accepted to a workshop program within my college, so I was busy with that. But today was really my first day trading this week, and today we had orange folder 8:30 news. And I'm probably asking Nick, I thought you only trade on red folder news days. Going back on my data, if it's like unemployment claims or like PPI, CPI, or PMI on a Thursday and it's orange from the news, it's still valid for me. But just going into the week, bro, we rebalanced a lot of the previous week's price action, because if y'all been on the market since like July, bro, we've been dumping. Like, look at this, straight dumping, bro. So this week we just been rebalancing, sweeping a lot of buy side liquidity. So going into the week, we going into today, excuse me, we formed an AMDX model. So meaning I wanted to see price distribute going into New York Open, and we got that. We also got a higher time frame bullish sequential SMT, and below here we had a daily fair value gap. And I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all that instead of just telling y'all daily fair value gap. So if we also got the TCISD as well, bro. So got the TCISD, but we didn't get no entry, so we did not take it. Then y'all know my drill. From multiple times back testing and seeing how the market plays out, as soon as price distributes, we're expecting either a reversal or retracement. And so going into 10 a.m., we have form, and I'm gonna just get rid of some of the stuff. See, so going into 10 a.m., we actually formed a 90-minute cycle, bearish sequential SMT with Q1 and Q3. But y'all probably asking Nick what validated this sequential SMT to be valid. When we use our tools right here, we can see we formed that into a new week opening gap. So we know every time we have a higher time frame sequential SMT formed in a higher time frame PD array, which could be a fair value gap, precision swing point, an order block. For this example, a new week opening gap that validates our sequential SMT. So we're in line. We're having a lot of factors playing in our place. So we got our TCISD right here. I took my entry right there, put my stop loss right here, well managed risk, targeting 300 ticks. Then we got our ATM, but one of my rules as well is, as soon as we get an ATM, we move our stop loss to break even automatically. The ATM is basically a change in the state. Price should no longer rebalance the TCISD. It should distribute and go to its drawing liquidity, but we didn't do that. As I can see right here, got stopped out, but I moved my stop loss to break even as soon as we got the 18. And yeah, bro. So really a break even trade, and I'll show y'all here. If I took it over here, if y'all want to be technical, y'all can see it right there. Took it on TraderVate, $2. Really break even, bro. But yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. Since we disrespected this sequential SMT, I would not be surprised if price continues to go trend upwards. Maybe we just sweep previous day's highs since we swept previous day's lows. But nevertheless, I appreciate y'all for tapping in with me. And let me know, bro. How's y'all's trading week been so far? I think we got in the first week of August, so it's a lot of crazy things playing out, bro. We're officially in the quarter 3 of the yearly contract, so y'all be careful, bro. But nevertheless, I appreciate y'all for tapping in, and remember to continue to be proper stewards of the time the Lord has given y'all. Peace.